This is our mass production workshop for 4x2 cargo trucks. Multiple vehicles are entering the final assembling stage with meticulous craftsmanship to ensure reliable quality. The cargo body is installed and tested one by one with strict quality inspection. The reinforced high-strength steel chassis ensures strong load capacity and stable operation. Workers carefully tighten every bolt and test each component professionally. Tough tires and homelized caps are perfectly matched for diverse needs. Every spray, every polish is our commitment to quality. Our cargo boxes carry heavy notes with strength. We stand time with durable finish and stand as your reliable partner on every logistics journey. Strictly control every assembling process. Mass production with ingenuity. We provide stable quality to support efficient operation for every customer.